Throughout history, wars and human greed have destroyed millions of dollars in priceless art. But every time a Stradivarius violin is crushed under a soldier's boot in a war-torn land, a profound scientific secret dies with it. A secret that the modern world simply cannot retrieve. For centuries, the name Stradivarius has been synonymous with acoustic perfection. Today, fewer than 650 of these instruments survive, with the finest examples commanding prices upward of $20 million at auction. Musicians describe their sound not just as beautiful, but as supernatural. A resonant clarity that fills an entire concert hall without effort. Naturally, modern science tried to copy them. NASA engineers, elite material scientists, and master chemists have mapped these 300-year-old violins using 64 detector CT scanners, 3D laser mapping, and complex chemical spectrometry. They know the exact geometric measurements of every curve, every millimeter of wood, and every internal component. Yet whenever we use high-tech CNC machines and advanced physics to build an identical replica, the result sounds flat, sterile, and entirely uninspired. The technology of the space age continually fails to replicate the craft of an old man working in a candlelit workshop in Italy back in 1700. Why? Because Antonio Stradivari unknowingly benefited from a cosmic anomaly combined with a toxic alchemical secret. The mystery begins with a phenomenon known to climatologists as the Little Ice Age. Between the years 1645 and 1715, solar activity dropped to a historic low, a period called the Maunder Minimum. Temperatures across Europe plummeted. In the alpine forests where Stradivari sourced his spruce, the winters became agonizingly long and freezing. Because of this extreme cold, the trees grew at a fraction of their normal speed. This forced the wood cells to pack incredibly tight, creating an unprecedented density, with growth rings so narrow they are nearly invisible to the naked eye. This specific, ultra-dense wood structure, which simply does not exist in nature today, vibrates with a crystalline efficiency that modern forestry cannot replicate. But the anomalous wood was only the canvas. Stradivari's true forbidden craft was the chemical bath. In the 1700s, northern Italy was plagued by wood-boring worms that destroyed musical instruments from the inside out. To save his creations, Stradivari submerged his raw timber into a heavy, experimental chemical cocktail. Modern forensics recently detected elements of borax, zinc, copper, alum, and lime deep within the cellular structure of the violins. Stradivari wasn't trying to improve the acoustics. He was trying to kill bugs. However, this toxic bath caused a miraculous side effect. The minerals cross-linked the wood's cellulose fibers, artificially calcifying them. Over centuries, these minerals fused with the unique Ice Age wood, turning the entire body of the instrument into a hardened, highly efficient acoustic resonator that accentuates high frequencies without damping the sound. We are left with a tragic paradox. The few Stradivarius violins left in the world are slowly reaching the end of their biological lifespan. Wood rots, structural tension degrades, and accidents happen. The secret of the Stradivarius is a perfect storm of history, a unique planetary freeze, a toxic alchemical accident, and the mind of a reclusive genius. When the last one falls silent, a specific frequency of human beauty will be lost to time forever. The forbidden craft remains lost, but it is not the only mystery buried in our past. Next time, we journey back 43,000 years to discover an instrument carved from the bones of a monster, the mammoth flute. Subscribe to keep the history alive.